Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off touchpad in your Huawei MateBook D15 and also change the speed of that touchpad, at the first you have to go for the settings, pick devices, go for mouse, and for the touchpad below mouse, and as you can see here we can enable or disable touchpad. So take a look right now. When I'm going to use my finger on the touchpad, everything is fine, but when I'm going to click here to turn it off, right now when I slide on touchpad, it's deactivated. So if you want to turn it on back, just click here, and in this place we are also able to set up the speed of the touchpad. So take a look right now, and then right now. We can also change the touchpad sensitivity in this place, and that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.